Hello everyone, today's video is on most important writers of English literature. I will be covering all important writers of English literature. Anglo-Saxon writers, Bede. Bede was called as the father of English learning. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट राइटर हैं और इन्होंने एक फेमस वर्क लिखा है जो कि है एस्टिकल हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश पीपल। इस वर्क में ज़्यादातर रेफरेंस दिया गया, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ बुक में रेफरेंस दिया गया है इंग्लैंड का, जोग्राफिकल रेफरेंस दिया गया है. Then this book is divided into 5 parts, 5 books. It is originally written in Latin. You have to remember this. It is originally written in Latin. Then next writer, most important writer is Cadmian. Cadmian is also called as Anglo-Saxon Milton. He is remembered for his Cadmian Hymn, praise poem. It is a praise poem in the honor of a god. Canewulf, he is one of the early writer who signed his work. His work is divided into 2 parts, signed poem and unsigned poem. Signed poems are The Christ, The Juliana, The Feast of Apostle. Then unsigned is एंड्रियाज, फॉनेक्स एंड ड्रीम ऑफ रोड. ये आपको याद रखना है कि कौन सी साइंड पोएम है एंड अनसाइंड पोएम है. ब्यूवुल्फ इज एपिक पोएम विच कंटेन 3182 अल्टरनेटिव लाइन. ब्यूवुल्फ राइटर इज़ अननोन. इनके राइटर के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है कि इन्होंने लिखा है, बट दिस पोएम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एंग्लो सैक्सन एज. नेक्स्ट इज सी फियरर. सी फियरर इज़ वॉट एलेगरी. एलेगरी क्या गया, एलेगरीज क्या होता है, ये एक लिटरेरी डिवाइस है जिसमें कैरेक्टर को सिम्बोलाइज किया जाता है विथ क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी के साथ लाइक ट्रूथ हो गए, कुछ भी क्वालिटी के साथ उसको सिम्बोलाइज किया जाता है, वो एलेगरी कहलाता है. विद द हार्डशिप ऑफ ओशन. This poem consists of 124 lines. Dear Lament. It is a poem which deals with the lament of scope of his life during the exile. ये एक पोएम है जो कि डील करती है लाइफ ऑफ अ पोइट. स्कूप का मतलब पोइट होता है जो अपनी एग्जाइल के वक्त, युद्ध वॉर के वक्त उन्होंने अपना घर छोड़ के एग्जाइल में जाना पड़ता है. एग्जाइल के वक्त वो अपनी लग्जीरियस लाइफ, रेस्पेक्ट, राजा के पास रहना, वो सब याद कर रहा है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 42 अल्टरनेटिव लाइन्स. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट इज एंग्लो नॉर्मन एज. जियोफ्री ऑफ मैनमाउथ. एंग्लो नॉर्मन पीरियड में ही इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पोएट. ही इज़ नोन फॉर हिस्टोरिया रेगम ब्रिटेनिया. This work is written in Latin. It is also written in Latin and translated by King Arthur. This work is divided into 12 books. This work dedicated to the Robert Earl of Gloucester and the Warren Count of Mellon. Another important writer is Wace. He had written Roman de Brute, which was based on Historia Regum Britannia of Geoffrey of Monmouth. Roman de Brute is a worst literary history of a Britain. Then Lamon, he was an English poet who wrote Brute or the Chronicle of a Britain. This work is based on Roman de Brute. It is very important, you have to note down that Wace is inspired by Geoffrey of Monmouth. Then Lamont was inspired by Wace. Okay. Garvin poet, also called as Pearl poet. These writers are unidentified. They have written work like Sir Garvin and Green Knight. Also have written poem like Pearl, Patience and Cleanliness. Sir Garvin and a Green Knight. It is a chivalric romance. Pearl poem is an elegy and written in medieval allegory form. It is a dream version. The poem is divided into 3 parts, prologue, dialogue and epilogue. It is a poem based on intense human emotion. It deals with grief of a father and a death of a daughter, Margaret. Pearl poem is written in octasyllabic verse form. Cleanliness. It is a poem written in alternative and didactic form, deal with the virtue of cleanliness and consists of 1812 lines. Then Patience is an alternative and didactic homiletic poem. It is also deal with virtue of patience. It consists of 530 lines. Another most important age is age of a Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer from 1340 to 1400. He is called as father of English literature or also called as father of English poetry. He is the first truly national poet of England. He wrote work like Romance of the Rose, Book of a Duchess, House of a Fame, Parliament of Fowls, Troilus and Cresside, The Legend of Groomed Women, The Canterbury Tale. Guys, I will be sharing only most important writer's work, and it is impossible to share each and every writer work in one video. Most famous writer of Age of Revival is Thomas More. He wrote most famous work Utopia. Utopia is originally written in Latin and published in 1516, then translated into English by Ralph Robinson and Gilbert Burnett, which published in 1551. Utopia is divided into two parts. Next, the William Tyndale is an English scholar and leading figure in the Protestant Revolution. He is known for Tyndale Bible. Thomas Watt. He introduced the sonnet to English literature. He is also called as father of sonnet of English literature. Sir Thomas Watt and Henry Howard, Earl of Surrey, both are known for the translation of Petrarch's sonnet from Italian to English. Thomas Malory, known for Le Morte d'Arthur or The Death of the Arthur. It is a classic book in English language, deal with the chronicle of Arthurian legend that published by the William Caxton in 1485. Okay, answer in comment box, when did William Caxton bring the printing press in England? Elizabethan age writers are divided into three groups: poetry, essayist and dramatist. Poetry main writers are Edmund Spenser, who is best known for epic poem Fairy Queen, and Amroti, which is sonnet sequel of 89 sonnet. Then Philip Sidney. Philip Sidney is best known for his work Astrophel and Stella. It is the sonnet sequel of 108 sonnet and 11 songs. Michael Crichton is famous for Ballad of Agincourt and Heroic Epistle of England. Essayists are Francis Bacon, who is famous for his essays and Advancement of Learning and Novum Organum. Then Butler Rai is famous for History of the World. He written when he was in prison, published in 1614. Then Samuel Purchas. His most famous work is Purchas and his Pilgrimage, also called as Relation of the World and Religion Observed in the All Ages, published in 1614. Drama in the Elizabethan age is very popular. I will be sharing another video of university wit writer. Some of the famous writers are Christopher Marlowe, who is best known for Dr. Faustus and Tamburlaine the Great. Then Robert Greene. He was dramatist and pamphlet writer, best known for God's Green Worth of Wit, which satirized on Shakespeare. Then most important writer of this age is William Shakespeare, who happy learning and think that you can do.